I'm Reddy Suresh. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Okay friends, today our topic coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 NCERT portion. Already yesterday we discussed first item, first problem and second problem. This is third one. Find the distance between a comma b and minus a comma minus b. Then already we know that distance between any two points formula. Distance between two points that equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And same here in this one, it's a first point. A is x1, b is y1. This is x coordinate, y coordinate. So this is x1 is a, y1 is b. This is x2, y2. So if you have any confusion, first you write the points, coordinate points. x1 equals to a, y1 equals to b, x2 equals to minus a, y2 equals to minus b. So now distance between a comma b and minus a comma minus b, that equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So what is the first x2? That one you should write. x2 is minus a, in formula minus x1 is small e whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is y2? Minus b minus, in formula minus, what is y1? That is also b whole square. That equals to square root of minus a, that is minus 2a whole square plus minus b minus 2b whole square. That equals to square root of minus 2a whole square is 4a square plus minus 2b whole square is 4b square. 2 times multiplication, the base. So now that equals to square root of, in this one common, 4 into a square plus b square. That equals to, this one we can write square root of 4 into square root of a square plus b square. See now, square root of 4 is 2 into square root of a square plus b square. Distance between a comma b and minus a comma minus b is 2 into square root of a square plus b square units. Okay, now second problem. What is the second problem? See, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 50. Solution: given points, given coordinate points 0, 0 and 36, 50. So one is origin, another one is coordinate point. Same, we know that already. Find the distance between origin to any point. Distance between origin to any point equals to square root of x square plus y square. So the point is x comma y, the coordinate point. Any point means here the coordinate point is x comma y. So origin means already we know that is 0 comma 0. So the formula is x square, square root of x square plus y square. So now a distance between origin to 36 comma 15, that equals to square root of 36 square plus 15 square. Like this is any point that you have to take x comma y. Like this is 36 comma 15. So square root of 36 square plus 15 square. So that equals to square root of 36 into 36. What is the 36 into 36? So 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 3 are 18. 6 3 are 18. You calculate that one. 36, 39. 9 cancel, keep here. 3 3s are 9. 9 keep here. Then the 12, that is 1296. So this is 1296. 15 that is 15 square. Already we know that 225. Go to calculation this one. Square root of 1296. 225. 6 5 11 10 12 5 1. 1521. Square root of 1521. So square root of 1521. So go to perfect squares. Which table is coming, that one perfect square or not? You check it, this one. Go to which table? This is 6 9. So 3 table going this one. 3 5 are 15. It's a 2. It's not going. So take one more number taking. So that's why here take the 0. 3 7 ja 21. Again going to this one 3 table. 3 1 ja 3. So here 2 and 0 20. 3 6 ja 18. 18. So 2 carrying again 27, that one 3 9 ja. So this is 13 ja 169. So here 2 3s, 2 13s. So this one we can write square root of 13 3 ja 39. 39 square. Okay. Then square and square root get cancelled. That is 39 units. So distance between origin to 36 comma 15, the value is 39 units. Okay. Right, see next third problem. See in the third problem, what is given the question? Determine if the points 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. Are collinear like that given the question. So these 3 points are collinear or not? You learned already in previous class, in 9th class and 8th class also, in CBSE portion or ICSE portion. What is meant by collinear? First of all, remember that collinear. So here see, collinear means any 3 or more points lie on the same line. Any 3 or more points lie on the same line. So the 3 points are collinear. So let us have to take A, B, C. These 3 points are collinear because the 3 points are lie in the same line segment. So these 3 are collinear points. So how to calculate here given the 3 points? So how to calculate? See, calculate means here 2 types having in the coordinate geometry. Here previous that formula. So what formula that means? Here 3 points we can use that making a triangle. So triangle we can use the formula. That time this is collinear or not. We get there. Otherwise go to the simple formula. The simple thing. This thing. Here AB some distance having, AC also some distance having. So AB plus BC equal to AC. This one satisfy given the 3 points. that given the 3 points are in collinear, otherwise it's not a collinear. So calculate that one distances. So AB means 2 points, the distance, and BC and CA. The 3 points, calculate the distances and calculate that equal or not. In one point, one distance is equal to the sum of the other two distances, two distance points. Equal or not, calculate. See, now given points. Here what given the points? 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11. These 3 points, first you take the distance between 1, 5 and 2, 3. Let you have to take this one x1, y1, x2, y. Already you know that formula. What is the formula? Distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, I'll write again the distance formula. After given any points, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, now, same is distance. Here square root of x2, 2, x1, 1. So 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. That equals to, calculate this one, 2 minus 1 whole square. What is the 2 minus 1? 1. So 1 square plus 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 whole square. That equals to, this is 1 square plus minus 2 whole square is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. So square root of 5 units. Now distance between the next 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11. So this is also same formula you can use here. Now x1, y1, x2, y2, these 2 points. So now calculate this one, minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square. Then that equals to minus 2 whole square. What is the minus 2 whole square? Minus 4 whole square. That is total 16. Minus 4. So double time we can multiply. We get plus. So plus minus 11 minus 3. That is minus 14. Minus 14 whole square is plus 196. That equals to square root of 16 plus 196. So 6 plus 6, 12. That is 910112. Sorry, 202. 16 plus 212. 212. See, 196, 16. 12, 10, 11. 212. Right. 212 units. Now, last. Distance between 1, 5 and minus 2, minus 11. That equals to square root of minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. That equals to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 16. Minus 16 whole square is that is plus coming. So 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 1 are 6. 6 1 are 6. 12 15. So 5 cancel. 1. It's 5 here. 1 carrying. 1 1 are 1. 1 2. That is 256. So that is 256. So 9 plus 256. How much? 9 plus 256. So 265 units. So observe this one, this 3. Therefore, square root of 265 is not equals to, that is the big, okay. So that is not equals to square root of 212 plus square root of 5. So these 3 points, therefore given 3 points are not in collinear. Thank you, students.